and welcome back to my channel. I am bringing you guys my Walmart / Ibotta haul. A lot of you guys are enjoying it. A lot of you guys have been hitting levels that you've never hit before, so that is super awesome. Ibotta is by far my ultimate favorite app to use. If you guys haven't joined Ibotta, definitely do it. You guys can get so much money back, buying certain things. And if you guys want, you can click my referral link below. Once you guys once you guys get about $10 worth of rebates, you guys will get an additional $10. That's 20 bucks free that you guys will get back. So definitely do that. And what I usually do is I roll my gift cards. So what I do is I buy all this stuff that I can get with Ibotta. And then I go and redeem a gift card and then go back and buy more items that I can buy with Ibotta. So that's how I do it. If you guys are not on my Ibotta team, you guys can actually Facebook request me. I have the link couple down, but it's in the information below that you guys can friend request me. You guys will be on my Ibotta team. You just got to make sure that your Ibotta is connected to Facebook, and you guys just have to be my friend, and that's all you have to do, so you guys can hit levels a lot faster. You guys can see what I'm at. Plus, I post a lot of things, if you guys just want to be my friend on there, you can. It's not my real Facebook page. It's a secondary one, but I do post questions, asking you guys questions and just certain little things and games and all that stuff, just to get to know you guys a little bit better. So let's just dig in so I can share with you guys what I got at Walmart. So the best deal that my husband is going to be super excited for is the Talente. This is the gelato. Now this is less sugar. Now there's those $1.50 off coupons that you guys want to print on coupons.com. So this is $3.98. You guys use that $1.50 off coupon. You guys would just pay $2.48 for this. Now they only had just this flavor. This is the chocolate fudge swirl. I don't know if there's other flavors, but there's just this one. But then you guys can submit a $1.50 rebate on Ibotta. And you guys can submit a $1.25 rebate on checkout 51. Now, listen, okay? You're not supposed to use coupons with checkout 51. You're not supposed to on certain items, majority of all the items. But I usually buy so much stuff that it's just all mixed into each other, so they really never look into that to being denied. If you guys are buying like one or two items and you use coupons and you submit your receipt, you're gonna get denied. So a lot of you guys ask and I explain it. I just buy a ton of items, so that's why they don't see it. So definitely do that if you guys plan on doing the checkout 51. But this ends up becoming a 27-cent moneymaker, so that is super good. One thing I also really like is the container. It's just a plastic twist container, so if you guys need to use crafts or storage or something, these are great containers to use. Okay, so the next deal I got is the Febreze. This was $8.84. I used a $4 off coupon that we got in the inserts. Somebody sent me some coupons today, and I don't remember the name. I'm sorry, but I did use those. But I also had some too. And they don't expire till 2019. So that is awesome. But you guys want to use that $4 off coupon. You guys would pay $4.84 for this. But then you guys can submit a $4 rebate on checkout 51, making it just 84 cents. So I think 84 cents for a special kind of laundry soap. Definitely go for this. This is for something that I think you add it to your regular, you add it to your laundry soap, and it just kind of refreshes everything. So if you guys like have extra smelly stuff, you can always add this little boost to it. So there is that. But yeah, just letting you guys know about checkout 51. I just buy a ton of stuff, so that's why. Other thing is, I want to say while I'm remembering this, thank you guys for everybody who bought a shirt. It closed last week on Tuesday, but you guys, I sold I think 207 shirts or 217. I can't remember. That was crazy. But please, 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 if you guys want to, send me your pictures of you guys wearing your shirt. You can send it through me through Facebook. You can do it through my Deals by DesignerJen on Facebook. You can also send it to me Instagram, or you guys can email it to me. I can give you guys my email. Just send me a picture. I'm going to do a little montage once the second batch of shirts ship to you guys. So definitely do it. You know, I think it'd be kind of awesome where we can all wear a little Coupon Addict shirts. And then I will be possibly bringing them back around the holidays so you guys can have people buy them for you if you guys want. So definitely try to figure that out, or I'm going to try to figure out some more designs and everything. So wanted to share with you guys with that real quick. Now I ended up doing the Suave Men deal. Now we had those $1.50 off coupons that were on coupons.com. This coupon did not work for this product, so I'm like, whatever, I'll still get it. But I just wanted to share with you guys that that $1.50 coupon does not work for the men's product. So these were $1.98. You guys would pay $1.98, but then there was a Saving Star deal for $1 off way back ago. And you guys can submit your receipt to get Fetch reward points. Fetch Rewards is my second favorite app, and all you do is you guys mostly buy a lot of items, especially like the Unilever stuff, and you guys get bonus points. And if you guys click my referral link, you guys will already get $2 right back. That's 2,000 points, and you guys can start redeeming at $3. So that's a great thing. If you guys want to start saving up for Christmas, I would definitely start saving up for Christmas with Fetch Rewards. The only thing is, with Fetch, when you want to get a gift card, you got to wait another 6 hours to get another gift card. So just giving you guys a heads up, what I end up doing is I redeem a gift card and then I screenshot it on my phone, and then I just have the cashier scan it. But last year I had pretty much a free Christmas because of Fetch Rewards. So definitely you guys, you know, I know it's like 6 months away, but you guys definitely want to start thinking about, or is it 5 months away? Definitely start thinking about getting, you know, a free Christmas or something like that. So that went towards that. I ended up getting some pens. Now these were 97 cents at my store. Those coupons you can use 2 per transaction. So these are 97 cents. You guys use that $1 off coupon. This comes to be a 3-cent moneymaker. So these pens I'm planning on donating or giving to work. Work will probably have them because they always are like, can I have more pens? Can I have more pens? Now, I did this deal. Now, you guys can do this deal either way. It still comes out to be the same. So, you got your L'Oreal Paris, or L'Oreal shampoo, you know, Olive, okay? Now, these were $3.97. You can use that 4 off of 2 coupon, or you guys can just use that 1 off of 1. It depends on what you guys want to do. You pay a little bit more for the 2 off of 2 right away, but it comes out to be the same exact deal. So if you use that 4 off of 2 coupon, you guys would end up paying $3.94 for the both of these. But then you can only submit one $2 rebate on Ibotta. So you guys would end up getting this for just 97 cents. Or why did I write 97 cents? Yeah. You guys would just get one for 97 cents. But if you guys use that $1 off coupon, you guys will get one for 97 cents. But since I'm buying 2 of them, it comes out to be $1.94, which is 97 cents. So I'm not trying to confuse you. It's just the same way. You guys will pay 97 cents if you did the deal for the $1 coupon, or you guys would pay 97 cents each if you guys did the 4 off of 2. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up, but most people like having the pairs. So I wanted to share with you guys with that deal. My store was sold out of the cheaper Sally Hansen, so I ended up just getting this. This was $2.97. We have that $1 off coupon that we got from a while back ago. You guys would just pay $1.97 for this. But then you guys can submit a $2 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just a 3-cent moneymaker, right? Yeah, 3-cent moneymaker. So if you guys are interested in doing that product, go for it. Now I ended up getting the Greek yogurt. Now this is the Dannon Light and Fit Greek yogurt. Now there was a 50-cent coupon on coupons.com. I'm not sure if it's still available. I think it is. This was $1. You guys use that 50-cent coupon. You guys would end up paying 50 cents for this. But then on Ibotta, there is a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta, and it's for Walmart only. I was going to do this deal at Target, but I'm glad I looked and saw that it's at Walmart only. So this little dish right here, some yogurt, will be absolutely free if you guys want to do that deal. So definitely go for it. I don't know why I keep getting Biotin. I'm just doing it because it keeps recited, and I think it's a pretty decent product for more of a high-end item. So hopefully you guys, you can hit level 4 of just getting some things here and there. So the Biotin was $3.47. We had that $1.50 off coupon that we got from a while back ago. You guys would end up paying $1.97 for this. But then you guys can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making this just 97 cents. Now, there also was a deal on Saving Star, but I already submitted that. But you guys would get I think $1 or $1.50 rebate for that. So it ends up becoming a moneymaker. So it's just up to you guys if you guys wanted to repeat that deal. Now, I also did the Nivea Men Shaving Cream. Now, the coupon says it's like $2 off of one, but then you got to continue reading it, and then it says $2 off of 2 shaving things. So you guys got to really read that coupon. So these were $3.47. You guys want to use that $2 off coupon. You guys would just pay $4.94. But then you guys can submit a $2 rebate and a $2 rebate on Ibotta. It is a limit of 3. Otherwise, I would have totally done this deal, with 4 of them. But you guys submit $2 rebates times 2. You guys would just get these for 94 cents. So like 50 something or 40 something cents a piece. I think that's a pretty good deal. And I don't get Nivea Men very often. So had to share with you guys with that deal. I ended up getting the Bolt House. I've yet to drink this yet. I'm afraid to drink certain things that are good for me. But this was $1.94. You guys would pay $1.94 for this. But then you guys can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making it just 94 cents. I wanted to do this deal last week too, but I forgot to do it. So 94 cents for a drink, I think, is a pretty great deal. Now, I also got these Gelosity pens. These at my store were $1.97. $1.97. I used that $1.50 off coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. You guys would end up paying just 47 cents a piece for this. So I thought, why not? You guys know if you guys need some good pens. I think 47 cents for a 2-pack that comes out to be like a quarter a pen. I think that's a good deal. I got this CoverGirl lipstick. Now this was $4.94. I used that $3 off coupon that we got from coupons.com. I'm not sure if it's still available. There's multiple coupons, but there's also a $2 off coupon, and then there's a $3 off coupon. So whichever, there's still good deals for it. You guys would end up paying $1.94 for this. If you guys had that $3 off coupon, you guys can submit a $3 rebate on Ibotta. Now that deal does end very soon, you guys. Since they updated it, it tells you like how many hours it ends in. That's what I like. So this ends up becoming a $1.06 moneymaker. So I ended up wanting to share with you guys with that deal. And then the last items I got were these zebra pens. These were 97 cents. We had those $1.25 off coupons from last Sunday, $1.25 off of 2 coupons. You guys would just pay 69 cents for the both of these. So I think 69 cents for 2 pens is a pretty good deal. So I wanted to share with you guys with that deal. And yes, that was my haul. I wanted to do that Forto chocolate deal again, but my store was completely sold out. But they're $1.98. You get $1.98 back with Ibotta, so I wanted to share with you guys on that. My total came to $28.07 for everything. I ended up getting $15 back with Ibotta. I also got $5.25 back with checkout 51. And then I also got $1 back from Savings Star for the swab. So it comes out to be $6.82. I ended up getting 18 items for $6.82. I think that's a pretty good deal. Everything ended up becoming just 38 cents a piece. So I definitely wanted to share with you guys with that in case you guys want to do some deals, or if you're super close. I finished level 4 last week, but I still want to share with you guys some extra deals, you know, and I was debating on doing this haul either Monday or Wednesday, but I'm like, you know what, I want to show you guys Monday because that's usually the day I do it, and I want to share with you guys, you know, these deals so you guys can all hit level 4. So definitely do that. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button so you guys can see my videos that I post all the time. Don't forget to be Facebook friends with me and send me your pictures of your shirts. And I'm just going to keep on rambling on, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.